Welcome to the StatTree video module for Cochran's Q. To test whether there are differences between three or more categorical variables, the Cochran's Q test would be appropriate. This test is similar to the Repeated Measures ANOVA, but for categorical variables. You will need three dichotomous categorical variables in order to run this test. In looking at the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey, the era of preferred movie is categorical with two nominal values. Fortunately, subjects were tested for preference of movie era before and after viewing movie trailers in our experiment. The original survey response, as well as the first and second exposure to a movie trailer treatment to this preference of movie era, would be appropriate for our demonstration. Once you have uploaded or imported the dataset into SAS Studio, you will need to create a temporary reference to that dataset in the libraries. A link to a video demonstration of that procedure is in StatTree Help. With the PEVS dataset open in SAS, you would choose era as the first variable, era T2 as the second variable, and era T3 as the third variable. To run the Cochran's Q test for differences, create a new SAS program window by pressing the Create icon under Server Files and Folders and selecting SAS Program F4. In the code box, type in the following code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. Select the code. Now press the Run icon. SAS will generate an output in a results window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is a significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, we have met our significance criterion. Here is your test result. You would report this figure as well as the sample size figure next to N for this significant finding. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.